Hello, it's Allie from UFO Shufflers. I am here to present you this week's Tips and Tricks Tuesday. So I'm going to be going over how to really clean up your spins, make them nice and white, and add emphasis and impact and speed. So we're going to start with a really basic spin, which is just kind of that X spin. And what I want people to think about in this position is really contracting the insides of their thighs together. So squeezing those muscles together. And when you spin like this, that strength from the contraction in your legs is actually going to give you a lot of the momentum. So that is a big thing to start with if we just want to practice that. So you're going to be here and squeeze, okay? And that pretty much alone helped propel me to get me one full spin. The next thing that I want to talk about while spinning is the arms. So you guys might know when you pull your arms in while you're spinning and bring them closer to you, that's actually going to help everything get around and really nicely and tightly. So if you add that to your X spin, here. So that one wasn't super clean, but you get the point. That time I was able to pretty much go around 2 times. So adding that extra arm in there is really does a lot. So also you don't have to do your arms just in, you can do them up like that. And obviously it also helps if you already have some momentum going from whatever movement you're doing, whether it's a running man or a T-step, you're in the flow, that will definitely help. And so one last thing that I want to talk about to add emphasis to your spin is stopping and opening up and just pausing for a second afterwards. So when I'm like this and I keep going, that looks good, that looks cool, but if you do a really tight, clean spin and you want to just be like, whoa, like check that out, I recommend like opening up at some length, just like landing with your feet open, and then you can hit some sort of pose there or whatever you want to do to just be like, boom. So it looks like this. Yeah, I really hope that is helpful for you guys. Spinning is one of my favorite things. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to ask below or send me a DM, and I'm happy to help.